Hey, what is up, guys? Today's tutorial will show you how to download and install Pinterest on your phone. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to download Pinterest on your phone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first thing you need to do is open the App Store or Play Store depending on your phone. Hit the search icon on the bottom. On the search bar, type in Pinterest. Scroll until you see the Pinterest app. Tap on it. Tap on Get or Install to start your download. When using Apple devices, enter your passcode or ID to confirm the download. Once you've done this, Pinterest will download and install on your device. After downloading, you can now use the Pinterest app on your device. You can sign in and start browsing Pinterest. And yeah, it's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.